Hey guys, Kieran Crabtree here, and welcome back to the Dinosaur Discovery. Today we're going to be reviewing the Funko Pop Jurassic Park 25th Anniversary Dr. Alan Grant figure. Taking a closer look at the packaging, as you can see, we have the Jurassic Park 25th Anniversary logo. This figure's number is 545. Pop Movies. Down here, Dr. Alan Grant. Then we have an animated picture of the Funko Pop Dr. Alan Grant. On the very side, Dr. Alan Grant. We again have the number of the figure, and we have that same picture of the Funko Pop Dr. Alan Grant. And on the side, we have yet again the Pop Movies logo. We have Dr. Alan Grant again, and the number of the figure. On the very top, it's pretty much the same as right here, and on the very bottom, there's just some boring information. Now, if we take a look at the very back, we have yet again another Jurassic Park 25th Anniversary logo, and then we have some of the other Jurassic Park Funko Pop figures that you can collect. Dr. Alan Grant, the star of our review today, John Hammond, Dr. Ian Malcolm, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, the Velociraptor, the very recently reviewed Dilophosaurus, and Dennis Nedry. Well, alright, let's get this figure out of the box. Get rid of the box. There we go. Alright, here is our Funko Pop Alan Grant out of the box. And I have to say, he looks really good. That fedora on his head has some pretty nice detail on it. It's this kind of a beige, kind of a tannish color. Then, of course, there is some brown paint going around this this little, I guess supposed to be kind of a band, like a leather band going around his hat. It's painted brown. He has some very nice detail on his hair. And, of course, like his face looks very good for a Funko Pop. Black eyes and some brown eyebrows. And in his hand, he has a Velociraptor claw, which I really like. That looks really cool, if we can let the camera focus. He has a watch on his wrist, and his shirt is painted a bluish color. As you can see, he has a handkerchief wrapped around his neck, right here. You can barely see it, but there it is. His belt looks pretty good. It's painted a brownish color, and his belt buckle is painted a gold. And he does have a couple of pockets and a couple of tools on his belt. He's wearing some khakis. They've been painted very nicely. And he's wearing some tan shoes. And as you can see, there's some detail on his shoelaces. And on the very bottom of the shoes, there is some detail and some information about the figure. It says Universal Studios. Whoops, I don't want to drop him. And then over here, it says Funko Pop 2018, www.funkopop.com, made in China. And yeah, overall, the detail on this figure is very nice. Now, articulation includes in the neck. You can just simply turn it all the way around if you want. And that's pretty much it. It's just supposed to be like a little model figure that you can have sitting up on a shelf to look cool. And this Funko Pop Alan Grant is definitely a really cool figure. For a size, we are looking at around 4.5 inches, just a little bit over 4.5 inches. And for his width, we are looking at around 4 inches. For a size comparison, we will bring in the Funko Pop Dilophosaurus and the Funko Pop John Hammond. So overall, this is just a really cool Funko Pop figure. I highly recommend it. If you are, in fact, wanting to pick up this figure, I recommend heading on over to Amazon or maybe the Funko Pop website. This figure kind of retails around $10, $8. I've even seen him for $5 at one point on Amazon. So he's quite cheap. And I will, of course, include a link in the description to wherever you can buy this figure. Well, alright, this has been the Dinosaur Discovery. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any future videos, and I will of course see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.